एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर, आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से जो अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ हैं, अलग अलग जगह पर यूरोपियंस की अलग अलग स्ट्रैटेजीज थी टू गेन कंट्रोल ओवर द कंट्रीज. So first of all, we are talking about region. So in South Asia, trading companies like East India Company made themselves into political powers who defeated the local rulers and annexed their territories. So this is a biggest example of India. इंडिया में हमने देखा था कि कैसे एक ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, द ब्रिटिशर्स, दे एंटर्ड एज अ कंपनी and then through it they made their ways into the administrative system of India by defeating the local rulers. They retained the older, well developed administrative system. Later, they built railways to make trade easier, excavated mines, and established big plantation. The things which happened in India. In Africa, Europeans traded on the coast except in South Africa, and only in the late 19th century did they venture into the interior. So earlier they, because the main purpose of all the Europeans to gain control over a particular place was for the ट्रेड की वजह से ही वो लोग हर जगह कंट्रोल कर रहे थे. तो इसी वजह से पहले उन्होंने हमेशा जो पोर्ट्स हैं, जो कोस्टल एरियाज़ हैं, उनको कैप्चर करने का ट्राई किया. देयरफॉर हम देखते हैं कि इंडिया में भी सबसे पहले जो उन्होंने उनकी इम्पीरियल सिटीज़ थी, दे वर द कैलकटा, मद्रास एंड बॉम्बे, नॉट दिल्ली, बिकॉज their main concern was to trade and earn as much profit as they can. सिमिलरली अफ्रीका में भी फर्स्ट उन्होंने क्या किया, कोस्ट पे अपना कंट्रोल करना स्टार्ट किया अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट में, एंड देन दे लेटर वेंचर्ड इनटू द इंटीरियर्स ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. After this, some of the European countries reached an agreement to divide up Africa as colonies for themselves. So once वेरियस पार्ट्स वर बीइंग कैप्चर्ड, तो उसके बाद जो यूरोपियंस है, अलग अलग यूरोपियंस आए, जैसे कि डच आए, फ्रेंच पीपल थे, इंग्लिश थे. सो व्हाट दे डिड, अपनी म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से दे डिवाइडेड द अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट्स के अलग अलग कंट्रीज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन agreement and divided up Africa as colonies for different countries. The word settler is used for Dutch in South Africa, the British in Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, and Europeans in America. So there is a word settler. Settler means a person who came from a different place and settled at a particular place. So the term settler is used for the people who actually came from different place and settled in a different country. So they are termed as settlers. Now we are going to start our next topic, that is we will try to understand how in different continents people started to settle at a particular place. And first of all, we are taking the continent of North America. So we are going to first understand what was the geography of North America with the help of the map that you can see. So the continent of North America extends from Arctic Circle to the Tropic of Cancer, from the Pacific to the Atlantic Ocean, west of the chain of the Rocky Mountains in the desert of Arizona and Nevada, till further west the Sierra Nevada Mountains, to the east of the Greater Plains, Great Lakes, the valleys of Mississippi and Ohio, and Appalachian Mountains. To the south is Mexico. 40% of Canada is covered with forest. Oil, gas, and mineral resources are found in many areas, which explains the many big industries in USA and Canada. Today, wheat, corn, and various types of fruits are grown extensively, and also fishing is a major industry in Canada. Mining industry and extensive agricultures have been developed only in the last 200 years by the immigrants from Europe. Immigrants from Europe means those people who have migrated from Europe, they have developed the plantation system and everything there, because हमें पहले ही पता है जो natives थे वहाँ के, they were completely being replaced by the Europeans and the Asians. So उन्होंने ही आके यहाँ पे सारी जो इनकी इकोनॉमी थी उसका बेस सेट किया. In our next module, we will basically read how the native people were replaced and how the new people came and became the part of the North America. So students, for this module your homework is to make the map that is the physical map of America, and label the important geographical features of the North America.